Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my 3-year-old daughter Nadia's full natural hair wash day routine. Alright family, this is what Nadia's hair looks like. She has had her hair like this for at least she has had her hair like this for at least 2 weeks. So today is wash day, so all I'm gonna do is take these little twists out. What I like about these is when you do the child's hair like this, not only is it easy to take out, you can actually wear this in many different styles and you can wash your hair while it's in this state without having to take it out. So that's what I like about this. Today is wash day. I'm gonna go ahead and take these twists out. Maybe I'll end up doing the same style. I don't know yet, but let's see. Alright family, so I'm going to be using this band so I can put her hair up to start on twisting it one by one. And I'm going to tell you right now, Nadia was not in the mood. For some reason, she has not been into wash days these days. She has gotten very, very tender-headed. For those of you who have followed me for a while, I don't know if you remember this, but Nadia used to love wash days. As a matter of fact, her videos or one of her natural hair videos is one of the most viral videos on my channel. I think one of them have over 10 million views. So she used to be really into this, but nowadays she just wants to do her own thing. So as you can see here, it's very easy to untwist the hair. All you have to do is grab it, twist the opposite way, and it comes right out. So just to help detangle her hair, I'm using this tiny little spritz bottle with water in it. This is going to help moisturize her hair, make it soft so that when I go to comb it, it doesn't hurt as much. I'm also using this wide tooth comb to detangle her hair. So as I untwist, spray, and detangle her hair, I'm also using the opportunity to kind of trim her hair as well. I'm just grabbing the twists one by one and looking for the strands that look unhealthy and uneven, and I just cut them off. And this, as a matter of fact, is what keeps the hair thick, healthy, and long. You have to trim the hair. Otherwise, the split ends, the tied ends, the puffy ends, they just continue to stay and make your hair look unhealthy, and it makes it difficult for your hair to grow. So this is how I trim Nadia's hair. And like I said, because she's tender-headed now, I don't use a whole session or special time to trim her hair. I just do it as I go. Alright family, so as you can see here, we're almost done. As I untwist, detangle, trim, and comb through, I also twist it back up so that it's not, matted when I'm done. It just makes the process easy. So this is our last one here. I'm just going to go ahead and comb through it, detangle it, trim it, and put it back in a twist. And then I'm going to go ahead and take all the twist out to put it in 3 or 4 sections. As you all know, if you have watched me for a while, I usually don't wash my hair open unless I'm doing it at a salon. But if I'm doing it at home or if I'm doing my daughter's hair, I always put it in little sections because it helps with detangling. It helps to, manage it afterwards. And it also helps when you're washing it so it doesn't get completely tangled. All right, so this is the easiest way to do it. I usually do 3, 4, or 6 sections. But as you can see, Nadia's hair is not that long right now. It's mostly thick versus long, so 4 sections are okay. Alright family, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash Nadia's hair in the tub. Again, Nadia used to be afraid of the tub, especially because of the sound of the water, but now she loves it. She loves it. And I just let her play a little bit before I wash her hair, and I'll put her favorite toys in there, or I'll give her the bowl so she can play with it. That way she's comfortable and she knows that there's nothing to be afraid of. As I told you all before, I usually use the Aveeno baby shampoo for hair and body to wash her hair. So all I do is I just lather the shampoo in her hair, scrub it, from her scalp all the way to the ends of her hair. And then I take the little bowl and just rinse the water out. And I also condition it as well. I didn't show it here because she was tired and ready to get out of the water. All right, so we are done with our shower and our wash. As you can see here, Nadia is still not having it, y'all. She is not in a good mood. She is giving me the worst attitudes and the cutest little mad looks ever. But it's okay because we only do this once in a while, at least once every 2 weeks, so we're good. So anyway, this is what her hair looks like. I'm taking it out of the sections now, and I'm just going to use this leave-in conditioner. This is a leave-in conditioner from a company that I'm trying out, and I want to see how it works before I share this with you guys. So please bear with me. I'm going to share this. If I do like it, I'll share it in the next video. But I'm just using this deep conditioner to soften her hair so that it's easy to, comb through or brush through and stuff like that. The next product I'm going to use here is organic coconut oil. I've talked about coconut oil here a lot on my channel. Coconut oil is good for moisturization. It's good for the scalp because it has antimicrobial properties. So if you have dandruff or other scalp issues, coconut oil is great for that. It also smells really, really good. And it also makes the hair soft so that I can twist it, right? So I'm using it kind of as a, leave-in conditioner type deal here. So it doesn't really matter the brand as long as it's coconut oil or as long as it's organic. So I'm just parting her hair little by little. I'm going to grab a little bit of my coconut oil and then go ahead and twist. Some people start twisting from the very bottom and then some people do a little braid. For me, I do a little braid. Maybe I'll do like 1 or 2 braids and then I'll twist the rest of the way. Some people like to add a little bit of, extensions or, braiding hair to make the hair strong. But as you can see here, Nadia has a head full of hair, so I don't really need to add it. And usually her hair is enough to do this hairstyle. So I normally don't, put any kind of weave in her hair, at least not as of now. All right, so I'm just twisting her hair. As you can see, it moves pretty fast. She's not as mad anymore because she's watching her show on the TV and on her iPad. Okay, so we're halfway done, or all the way done actually. We only have that one section left. So we took a little break. Nadia got some snacks. She played around a little bit, and we're just gonna go ahead and finish up here. As you can see here, because I trimmed her hair, the ends are not as skinny and long as they would be if they weren't, I guess, trimmed. I don't know what I'm saying, but you see what I'm saying. Her hair looks thick. It looks thick, it looks even, and the ends are nice and thick. That is the goal we're going for. As I told you all in my natural hair videos, I'm not going for length, I'm going more for health. So the healthier your hair looks, the better it looks. Length can be, kind of a distraction when you're on your natural hair journey because you want it to grow long. But sometimes long is not always healthy. Anyway, this is Miss Nadia's hair. As you can see, this is a simple hairstyle. It's nice. You can wear this up, wear it all down. You can put all of it up in a ponytail. You can just choose to do what you want with it. And the great part is you can also wash it in this state. So yes, this has been my go-to hairstyle for little Miss Nadia. And as you can see, now she's happy. Now she's in a good mood and she's going to get up and go check herself out in the mirror. Look at her. All this time she was mad at me. Now she's showing off her hair. All right, family, that is it for today's video, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any questions at all, please leave it down in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll join the family and also join our natural hair journey. And also share the video to your friend, family, neighbor, or someone who's going to benefit from it. All right, family, that is it for today's video. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.